Hello, my name is Mr. Bowser. I teach the Carpentry program at the Southern High School.
Hello, welcome future students at Nolan High School. My name is Mr. Beitzel and I'm in charge of the construction program here at Nolan High School.
I teach Intro to Construction, teach Foundations of Carpentry, and Advanced Carpentry courses. We also teach woodworking and many other facets of working with wood. In the past, we have built homes from the beginning all the way to handing the keys over to someone.
As we start our projects here, we start with picnic tables, birdhouses, other small projects. And as we go through the program, we develop into projects like this. My Carpentry 2 and 3 students built this train caboose for the town of Grantsville. So that's just one example of other things that we do. We do mini barns, we do local projects for local churches and communities. So I encourage you to look into our program and look forward to coming down to our high school.
Hopefully you will consider coming and checking out our program. We'd love to have you. Thank you very much.